10. You understand? But if you are properly ranking, you will appear page 1. Okay? As I'm appearing page 1. Are you getting what I'm saying? So you appear page 1, but even if you are not properly ranking, somehow, you are missing somehow. If you have this, God will still put you here. I want you to understand this. So you are like, I can rank here and rank here. You get it? So let me tell you what I did today that made sure I got this. I used, a verifiable address. Do you understand? Right? You can use your office, you can use your house, you can use maybe somebody's office or anywhere. The minute you get the code or get everything you need to do, you can change your address. Yes, you can. You can actually change your name. You can change your name. There are many beautiful things you can do when you try. Yeah. So I found out that I could do all of that. So I just used a friend's address, verifiable. I got verified. The minute I got verified, I changed everything back, did myself. Put anything any way you want to verify. Okay, they verified 3 ways. You have a question. Okay. 3 ways, right? They can verify by sending you an email. They can verify by calling you. They can verify by sending you an SMS. Okay? Now, they like to send a mail because Nigerians are dangerous. They might say they are in Japan, whether they are not in Japan. Yes, they will send a mail for you, but more than 3 weeks. It's been more than 3 weeks. Please go and check again. I'm sure it's there. A friend of mine, I own 2,000. How long did you take? Almost 2 months. But yours took just 3 weeks. Yeah? So, usually, maybe the postman came and he saw, thank you so much. Maybe the postman came and he saw your aboki. And your aboki does not know you. He now said you live in another street. So the postman now went to that street. Sometimes when you have aboki at the door, you will be the one inside. The aboki will say it's not this place. It's another place. So it will be that that's what happened to you. You understand? So it's 3 months, 5 months, whichever way. But for me, I usually don't even bother with the mail. I just give the required time, maybe like a month or 2 months. Okay? Then you go back to them. You now say, business has not been verified. And now tell them, yes, has not been verified. I have not received the mail. So they now suggest 2 other ways. One is to call you or send you an SMS. And 2 is to do video. I have never received a physical mail. All the pages are verified with all this grammar that we use. Alright? We got the video, or we got the SMS, or we got the call. That's how we verify. Right? Because there was sometimes your mail will appear, So, but yes, just go to your page again and check it out. Yes, they'll call you. Your code. They tell you your code. So the minute they tell you your code, you put the code in, it automatically comes and says, welcome to the HSP. Right? Then you now have this. Then with this, you're now putting all the beautiful things that you like. Okay? So this was not the address before. Obviously this will work. Allen Kendra. It won't work. Right? I gave my friend's address. So he works there. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. You can give your personal home address. But if your house is in a dangerous place that postman will not come, what happens? Do you understand? So, alright, go for business, have this. Say again? Yes. So you can always change. Alright? Once it's verified, you can always change. The beauty of it having it verified is you can see analytics, you can see what are the search patterns for you or related to you. You can see how many people have clicked on your page or click to see your site. You can see several beautiful things about yourself. Okay? When you do this, and it's absolutely important. Okay, it's absolutely important. Even for sites that are not ranking high, like you always get this. Are you getting me now? Alright? So it is business.google.com. Okay? Okay, so AEC, KYC, KLT, DST. Who knows what AEC means? AEC does not mean know your customer. Who know what AEC means? AEC.
Next engage contracts.
AEC stands for
Awareness.
Can you all see this? Eh? Can you all see that? Yes. Attract, engage, convert. That's what happens on social media. You attract first, alright? You have developed great content. You have posted the content, okay? And that content now attracts people. And when they are attracted to your brand, or when they are attracted to your page, the next thing you do is you want to what? Engage those people. You want to have a conversation. Okay? Now, let me state this clearly. Social media is not for selling. The concept of saying social media selling is a lie. Okay? The concept of saying social media, social sell is very untrue. Okay? Now let me tell you what social media is for. Social media is for this. It's for engagement. Okay? Now, but before you can get that engagement, you first need to what? So you've attracted them, they've come to your page, then you engage them. You have a conversation. Okay? Now, the problem with most of us is we do attract. We do attract and sell. Okay? Attract and sell in my work. Okay, but for the majority of the people, it won't work. Do you know why? They have been scammed many times. So, the minute they are talking to your page and next thing they are saying, how much of that, when are you paying? The person is like, okay. This was how that guy stole my 20,000 naira. Okay. Do you understand? The guy is skeptical. He's wondering, okay, sorry, ma'am. That's your question. You wrote it down. Can you ask it? It's related to the other thing we're talking about. Okay, but can you ask it? Or was it answered? Okay, ask it now, please.
It has to do with branding we're talking about.
Okay.
We talked about the business. When you ask him to bring out
Yes.
buy, so it's when you go
Yes.
you know, when he said, I noticed that he was talking more about his business, more than him. I was a banker for some years, and we were taught that we are a brand. So when I'm talking about branding, you yourself, when you're Googled, there must be some things that people would search for and find you as a person, the name behind the brand. Some names sell, but sometimes it's the person itself that sells. So different businesses, different. Now I wanted to ask, when you talk of branding, is it the individual or strictly the business?
So let me quickly respond to this. How many of you have social media handles that actually have your company name at the top? Then when they now say name, you now put your personal name. How many of you do that? What's the name of your company, sir? It's on Instagram. What's the name? Hey, on that Rockslide. Is that it? Rockslide is your business name, right? Then under it you now put Rockslide. So let's see, that's your Instagram handle is Instagram/Rockslide, yeah? Rockslide. Like this? Is that it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see how it looks. Say again. In front of the rock slide. .com.ng. Okay. .com. Hold on. It's your Instagram page. Okay, this is you. Right. You feel better now than you thought you did. Okay, good. So this is your Instagram handle. Now, I don't. Okay, you don't A4 there. A4 is not your name now. No. I'm trying to respond to her. What? I'm going to use this as an example. A4 is not your name. You won't. This won't sell very well. Can I have your own? Open Day. Open with an S. Just a minute. Open with an S. Open. Yeah. A-T-A-Y. Okay, good. Now, this will explain. Okay? Now, this is Oven's Day, and she now says to Rupemi Morgan. Yeah? And she now put her personal PIN and WhatsApp number, all personal. Right? And can I tell you that this is wrong? Why? Okay, good. Have you guys been to UPA before? You know UPA? You know Tony Lumelu? Now, did you notice that Tony Lumelu, they used UPA, then on and now it's Tony Lumelu? No. Okay, good. So, can you see why this is bad? Yes. It's still not clear. Is it clear now? It's not clear. Okay. How many of you know Aliko Dangote? You know Aliko Dangote? Now, you know their Instagram page. It's Dangote Group. Now, under Dangote Group, when they said name, did you see Aliko Dangote's name there? Say again? I want to hear you, man. Sorry, just a minute. Let me get. Yes. Yes.
Most people are not open Day.
Yes.
If it's your name,
yes,
they know you. Okay. So they can attack you with that. Aliko Dangote has already built his own. So she is trying to build her own. Because on my own Instagram page, let's buy and selling place, then my name is on it. Because why I put my name is on it? I've had a couple of people asking, let's buy now. But once they see my name, they link it up and say, oh, Chris, it's you. We understand.
Exactly. So that's a good explanation. Very good explanation. But still doesn't make it right. Alright? Famous. Still doesn't make it right. Let me tell you why. The day you become big, no one will agree that you are big. You will still be billing people that same small way that you were billing right on time. Do you know why? It's a culture that you are starting now. Let me tell you something. Positioning is key in everything. You must position yourself appropriately in the mind of whoever you are trying to convert. See, conversion is no joke. You see this thing? Conversion is no joke. People do businesses with people they can trust. Believe me, people trust businesses, they don't trust people. Do you understand me? People trust businesses. If you do business with me, let me tell you, my name is Victor Anyanwu, right? Good. Now, Victor Anyanwu works for the Visibilty company. I own it, I run it, but I work for it. And I just tell you, I work for it. When we do business with you, I send you a mail, send you an invoice, and I add tax. Do you know what that does when we do business? It makes the other person think, these people know what they are doing. I think I would like to do business with these people. I think these people are serious. I don't think there are people that will just wake up one day and I will not see the account. Most of the accounts that we're showing one day on Instagram, tomorrow the account passes away. Most of them started like this. Do you understand? You want to start from now to educate people on how they should refer to you. If you are Oven's Day is the name of the company. The name, sorry, is the username on top here. Under here, the company has a name. Put it there. Do you understand me? Put it there.
If you put it there, people are sure. And I also say, when you are talking, you will now talk with what? Plural. Now, what does that do for you? It lets the person know that, okay, if you are very busy, so that person can attend to you. The person does not feel that the day you are very busy, you will have to wait. Do you understand what I'm saying? Alright? So, there are many people that teach that crap. I just mentioned that, that this is the right thing to do. Yes, it's crap. Okay? Now, why I tell people this? I said, okay, you are a prince. Okay? A prince is trained to become a king the day he's born, right? It's not when he has entered the throne, that's like, come on, let us train him to be a king. No, it's from day one. So, this thing is the same thing. You want to start to communicate that this is Oven's day. Okay? My name is what? Tolulope Morgan. I am the CEO of Oven's day. I am the chief whatever Oven's day. Oven's day did what? Employ me. And I work for Oven's day. Do you understand? So Anyanwu is going to be Anyanwu. He has UBA, he has foundation. So by the time you open another business, all your businesses now will be carrying the real of everything. Let's say you start selling fish or you start selling bread. You now put fish and bread for real of more again. That's what you do. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Open your business and let them stand the way they are. Their names. Now you can use your personal profile. Create another one. Create a Tolulope Morgan page. When you create that page, use that one to drive traffic. So this one, you want to prove so that they know who you are. Oh, I am so and so. When you're writing your name on Facebook, simple. Write your name on Facebook. Your name is Tolulope Morgan. You come down. Works with. You know that it is possible for us. Some of you, when I see your Facebook hand, your Facebook profile, I weep because all I see there is something your university did. So you will see how their secondary school. You'll see your name. Yes, Facebook states that. It means that you probably have not updated your page. It states your name and states your secondary school. Or your name and a job you left 10 years ago. I know somebody that still showing Union Bank on his page. You understand? Okay, Oshoni, okay? Still showing Oshoni of how many years? Oshoni has stopped existing. Okay? Now, when you write, when you do this, Tolulope Morgan, right? That works with Oven's Day. CEO Oven's Day, whatever Oven's Day, you are now giving extra exposure to that thing on your personal platform. Do you understand what I'm saying? And we are making people understand that Oven's Day is a serious company. Right? Oven's Day is here to do business, we are not joking. When you start like this, the day you will now come and say, no, man, these are not going to say, is it not you that we know? I used to carry you were small. Do you understand? But when they go and they are dealing with this business, they are dealing with Oven's Day. They don't know who's at the back end. They are talking and somebody responding to them. They say, okay, good morning, my welcome. Thank you for your inquiry. Please, will you give us 10, 15 minutes? Let us check this thing and get back to you. Yes. But it inspires trust and confidence. That person that you're speaking to at the other end begins to say, nobody wants to do business with the one